Here's a quick guide on setting up an SLA battery. Let's start by removing all the contents from the box. Be sure to read the instructions thoroughly. We can begin by removing the foil strip from the battery, the plastic wrap from the acid pack, set the black plastic caps to the side. We'll be using that later. I like to put the battery on the acid pack, then turn the whole assembly right side up. We're using the battery to break the foil seals on the acid pack. You can now see the acid flowing into the battery. You want to be patient and allow all the acid to flow into the battery. Rushing it will only cause a small spill. Connect the battery to a battery charger and let it charge for a few hours. Once the battery is fully charged, we can disconnect it from the battery charger and put on the black plastic caps. Be sure to wipe up any acid that you may have spilled. If you have any additional questions, you can call us at 866-478-8700 or chat with us online on our website, www.partsforscooters.com.